Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to set up Jenkins on Kubernetes Engine. The labs is very simple. We have to just follow some steps. And here I have already opened the console also. So let's prepare the environment. So we need to set up the zones and the regions also. First, let's which zone we are going to refer. So this is a zone. You can add this comment on and execute. So it will set up the zone US East 4B, and this is the zone it's some. Now we need to clone the sample code. So this is a GitHub link. It's defined in the labs itself. So here it is. So it is going to clone the continuous deployment on the Kubernetes. So it's done. Now navigate the sample code. So here it is the directory we are going to choose. So this is a directory. So now you can see directory path has been set. Now let's go and create a Kubernetes cluster. So this is a command we need to refer: container cluster create Jenkins. Okay, so this is the command. Let's execute. So numbers of node is 2, and this is the scopes. It's been defined. It is creating the cluster. It will take a few minutes. So here it is, the command execution completed. So here it is, command execution is completed. Let's go to the next command and verify the check my progress. You can use the confirmation. You want to confirm the cluster is running, use this command and execute. It shows the numbers of nodes and running status, version, node, machine type, everything it will show. Just here it is, the similar sample output they have given. Now get a credential for your cluster. Kubernetes Engine use this credential. Okay, so this is a command and execute. Fetching the cluster endpoints and authenticate data. It's done. Now connect to your cluster. Okay, this is a command we need to Kubernetes cluster command. So here you can see the control pan is running, kubedns is running, metric server is running, everything, glbcd faithful backend is running. So this all is showcased in the green green color. So everything is correct. Now configure the helm. So add helm in Jenkins chart repository. So use this repo command. Let's add. So you can see Jenkins has been added to your repository. Oh, so this is the update command now. Latest list. Update completed. Now just scroll down. And now configure and install the Jenkins. So this is the same simple command actually. There is no need. Helm CLI. Let's add it. So here it says release my Jenkins does not exist. Install it now. First it will verify and then it will execute. Let's verify the task it's running or not. Configure and install Jenkins. So it's performing. It should be completed sweat. So this is the next is pod. Need to verify. So let's put the command and execute. It shows the 0/2 and status is 1/2. Okay, now the status, let's wait, let's again rerun. So I'm just checking the ready state. Actually, if you see here, it was 0/2, now it is 1/2. So I'm just verifying it should, will it is changing to 2. Okay, now this is, I was waiting for 2/2, so this is the correct output. Okay, now let's continue, and now we need to run the following command to set up port forwarding to Jenkins user interface. So this is the setup, let's do it. So this is the local IPs, it's done, let's see, and Jenkins service is created, let's verify. The execution is very simple. Now it's, you can see the cluster IPs, Jenkins, agents, and INS. So, and Kubernetes, everything cluster IPs has been displayed. See here, it is same thing, and Jenkins, agents, and Kubernetes. So all three, and cluster IPs also. So let's go down. So if you want to connect the Jenkins, you can just run this. Let, but these are the same thing. You have to copy, execute the command. Here you can see right now open editor is there. Let me execute first. Okay. Now get a Jenkins user interface. Click on a web preview button on the shell. Okay. So here it is. You have to just share. It will go to the shellcloud.google.com. Obviously, you can see we have claimed the 100 points also beside. Only two important tasks are there, but we need to follow whole configuration to understand one by one how we are going to, and this is the way we can complete the lab within a time. So here you can see we access the Jenkins. It's very useful, guys. You will know so many things about the Jenkins, how we are going to prepare. We fetch the configuration from the GitHub, and we deploy the applications also. So I hope this tutorial is very useful to learn and gain some new knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt on any videos or any configuration part or any if it is not getting point, please comment on it. I'll help you on your queries. And please keep learning, keep upgrading your knowledge. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye and happy learning.